All right, go.
This is your touch screen. It's kind of like the brain of your system. These sensors down here are reading room temperature, so don't worry about these. You can turn all your lights on and off with the master, so I can hit that and turn lights off. I can hit that and turn lights on, or I can select lights individually. Highlighted means that they're on. Tanks readings, temperature readings, showing that the ACs are all on and their current temperatures. All right. Water pump, tank heater, water heater, gas, water heater electric, water heater gas. I can go to light menu. Again, I have a master off and a master on, or I can select lights individually and turn things on and off throughout the coach. All right. This is our climate control. So we select heat for furnace, heat pump for the mid AC unit, comes out of the ceiling. Heat from the furnace comes from the floor. All your AC comes from the ceiling, and the heat pump from the mid AC unit comes out of the ceiling. You can up and down temperature, and then you can select fan speed. All right. Slides. Galley slide is the kitchen. We can retract that. That slide will come in. We don't ride that button. When we get it almost all the way out or all the way in, then we kind of bump the slide the last little bit. The living room is daisy chain, which means both slides come in on the same selector button. Very important on slides that you do a walk around before you bring them in or extend them out. They do not have a brain. Anything gets in the way, it will crush it. So due diligence when you're extending them and retracting them. Bedroom. Bedroom is a Swintech style slide, and they do not require lubrication. Your other two main slides, just a dry silicone lube. 2 or 3 times a year is good maintenance. Your roof has been completely sealed, front to back and around all your vents. And all 3 ACs have been cleaned. All right.